Write down this equation. Decomposition of N2O5 gives NO2 plus O2. This is balanced chemical equation. And options given. These are the three ways we can represent the rate of disappearance of. Here I have not shown minus and plus sign. You write down plus sign, minus n. Okay, so disappearance of dN2O5 dt is equal to K1 N2O5. Appearance of NO2 will be dNO2 by dt. K2 is equal to constant K2 molar concentration of N2O5. Here disappearance of O2, concentration of O2 by dt is equal to K3 concentration of N2O5. Now how K1, K2 and K3 are related. For that we have, I will explain you in two ways. First for board how to do, and for competition how we have to solve this. So for competition this will be the best way, because dO2 by dt, this is for 1 mole, so take this as standard. So we can easily write down this is for K3, this is 1/4 for 1 mole it is this, so for 1/4 will be K will be 1/4 K1. Okay, so I have written 1/4 K2, half of K1 here. dN2O5 here also I have shown you that dN2O5 dt is equal to K1 N2O5. So half of this will be solved. So half of the N2O5 by dt is equal to half of K1. Okay, half of K1 N2O5. Right, so like that we have to do a half K1 is equal to 1/4. Here minus plus sign doesn't matter, appearance disappearance will be there, nothing to worry about. 1/4 K3 K2 and K3. Now K3 is fixed for 1 mole, so we can relate that K3 is equal to 1/4 of K2, half of K1. Or when now we'll discuss about K1 and K3. K1 is equal to twice of K3. K2 is equal to 4 times K3. This is for competitive purpose. But here what we have to do, we have to write down like this: twice of N2O5 for board, 4 of NO2 plus O2. So here half d NO2 N2O5 by dt. This equation you have to write your own. Plus 1/4 d NO2 by dt, and plus d. This is, I am briefing it, molar concentration of O2 by dt. Okay, all of them are in molar concentration. So now I have written this, and this equal to K3 N2O5. Okay, because it is all are K3 and 2O5, because this is for 1 mole. So now just like above we have to do K3 is equal to half K1, and twice of K3 is equal to K1, and like this K2 is equal to 4 of K3. Okay, because we have to just 1/4 dNO2 by dt is equal to K3 and 2O5. Everything we have to take separately and relate with it. So we will find K3 is equal to 1/4 of K2, or K2 is equal to 4 by K3. Please subscribe my channel. I am Veena Dixit.